kids, it's Miss Emily, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own gliding car. Now, to start, we are going to take our 2 dowel rods. We are going to take our 4 wheels. We are going to take our 2 straws and put together our wheels. Take a dowel rod, take a wheel, you're going to put it together like that. Once it's together, you're going to slide it through, take another wheel, put it together, like so. We're going to repeat for the next one. We have both of our wheels. Next, we're going to take our base. This is the base of our car. We're going to attach it to our wheels. To do that, you're going to need some form of tape. Whatever you have around your house will work. So I'm just going to take a piece of tape. Going to take my wheel, going to take my base, and I am going to tape them together. Just like that. We're going to do the same on this side. Piece of tape. Wheel. Going to tape them together. So now we have the base of our car. The next part, we're going to take our printout. These are our wings. This is our tail. We're going to take the packet of crayons we got. If you have any other crayons at home, you can always use those as well. We are going to start by coloring in our design. They will keep doing this till they have a fully colored design, and then they will take scissors from their home and they are going to cut out along the dotted lines. Also going to cut. All right. So remember, this is our wing, this is our tail. We're going to start with our wing. We're going to take it. We're going to fold it in half. to unfold it so we have a nice bend. Then we're going to take the two sides. We're going to fold it in, then fold it out. Same with this side. We're going to fold it in, fold it out, and then with our tail, take it, fold it in half, and then fold it out. So we have our tail, our wings, and our car. Now it's time to put those on. We'll start with our wings. They are going to sit on our car like this. So what we need to do is we're going to take some tape, probably a small piece. We're going to flip this over. We're going to tape the wing to the car. I'm going to do the same to this side. Take this, tape the wing to our car. So now we have the wings. We need to attach the tail. The tail's going to go like this. This on, flip it over, we have our wings, we have our tail, now we just have one more piece to go. Remember we had 4 popsicle sticks? What we're going to do is we're going to stack them up. And take a piece of tape. We're going to take our stack, tape it all together. And the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to take our stack, tape it right to the front. Try that again. All right. I'm going to take our stack, tape it to the front. And there you have it, your very own gliding car.